Welcome back everyone. Today I am going to share my favorite slow cooker white chicken chili recipe for cold winter months to warm you up and keep the chills at bay. So let's get started. We'll start by heating up a tablespoon of butter and a teaspoon of olive oil in a slow cooker. When the oil is hot enough, we'll add a tablespoon of chopped garlic. Sauté it until the raw smell goes off and color changes to slightly golden. Then add some chopped onions. Give it a mix until onions are translucent, and then we'll start adding our spices. Add some salt to taste, a teaspoon of paprika for some heat, then add roasted ground cumin, here instead of using dry oregano leaves, I am using fresh leaves to enhance the flavor. Here goes some chopped jalapenos. Then we'll add the chicken. You can also cut it into cubes and then add, but I like to cook the pieces like this and then shred them to thicken up the gravy. Mix it up nicely and cover it with the lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Then add the chicken stock and cook for another 30 minutes in slow cooker. If you are making this recipe on stove top, then cooking time is reduced, but the soups and chilies taste best when slow cooked. Now it's time to add the boiled white beans. I have mashed half of the beans to thicken up the gravy and give it a creamy texture like this. This is the time when we remove our cooked chicken in a plate and shred it with the help of a fork and again add it to the gravy. Now reduce the temperature settings to low and set time to 4 hours and let the flavors blend in together. This recipe is best when you are on the go. Just throw in all the ingredients together and let the slow cooker do all the magic. After 4 hours, stir in everything and serve hot in a bowl. Garnish it with some fresh cilantro, some jalapenos, shredded cheese, chopped avocados, and a dollop of sour cream. Our white chicken chili is ready. Save this recipe for next time when you're looking for cozy recipes and enjoy it with your family. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.